Whereas, again, quite selfishly with CoGo, we're helping you to gather that information in real time throughout the year. So when you get to that activity, you've got all the information that's necessary to submit at your fingertips. Frictionless.
Which leads to a question. If that is the case, can you argue that having this information available real time could cut your insurance costs? Is an insurance company going to say, yeah, you track this stuff in real time and have a risk program associated with it, we'll reduce your premiums? Am I barking up the wrong tree?
I think you're bang on. I have to be very clear. I'm not an insurance company, but I do know some of the data. So if you look at companies like Factory Mutual, like FM, they started to give resilience credits. Do you know what resilience credits are?
I guess they reduce your car, give you money back if, that car's running away on us, if you make your assets more resilient, if you...
Pretty intuitive in its name, right? So it's dollars that they're allocating to customers to appropriately manage the risk that they have. And FM has given out $1 billion in cash to their customers in the last 3 years, and that's reduced claims by $35 billion. So it's an ounce of prevention versus a pound of cure. So this is just measure, monitoring, and managing appropriately to reduce risk. That's a benefit up front. Long term, you just don't want to have a claim. And we know that visibility, just looking at these assets consistently, again, monitoring consistently, full time, that provides a reduction in overall risk by saying, is there a state change that's happened where we need a human to go out in the field and look at that asset?